The 11th house is the house of groups, community, and shared connection, showing where we come together with others around common hopes. The house also speaks to ideals, visions, and aspirations, helping us imagine what is possible for the future and for humanity. The 11th house highlights friends, social circles, and the joy of belonging with people who support your growth and dreams. This house is deeply connected with humanitarianism, contribution, and philanthropy, showing how we give back and care about something larger than ourselves. The 11th house also rules networks, organizations, and the web of relationships that helps ideas, causes, and people reach farther. The 11th house is balanced by the 5th house, reminding us that community thrives when group vision is supported by individual joy, creativity, and self-expression.